Air balloon that could go to space with the air, like I don't care, baby, by the way. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like a room without a roof. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like happiness is the truth. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you know what happiness is to you. Because I'm happy. Clap along if you feel like that's what you want to do. Here come bad news talking this and that. Well, give me all you got, don't hold it back.
Good morning, everybody. Give me a wave if you can hear me. Okay, I want to start off just by sharing some photographs. I put as many of them as I can together. So it's a review of the year, really, and I've got a few photos from a few classes. So I'm just going to share that with everybody. If I can remember how to do it. Okay. Now, I'm not sure which classes have got things to share because I've only had a message from year 6. So if you are going to share something, can you unmute yourself and let me know?
We'll be singing a song.
Oh, perfect. Okay.
Hi, Joe. We'll share something in Caledonian Road.
Okay.
Hi, Joe. Yeah, year 6 are going to sing as well.
Yeah, we're going to do that right at the end, Priscilla, because I think that's the thing to say goodbye with. So I want to start off by each year we award a Randall Kramer Peace Prize, and this is in remembrance of William Randall Kramer, who is our namesake. He was the first British man to win the Nobel Prize for Peace. So each year the teachers and children nominate a child that they feel has shown all our values. Because it's a different type of assembly, I will bring the certificate and your prize to your classroom after the assembly, okay? So you will be getting a certificate and a prize if your name's called. So in Dalston Junction, The winner of the annual Peace Prize is Sierra. In Rotherhithe, the winner is Abid. In Year 6 Kentish Town, the winner is Sophia. In Canonbury class is Arthur. In Whitechapel, it's Benny. In Wapping, it's Gurdeep. In Caledonia Road, it's Andy. In Year 6 Surrey Keys, it's Maida. In Year 2 Shadwell, it's Precious. In Nursery Hoxton, it's Giovanna. In Shoreditch class, it's Binta. In Haggerston, it's Elijah. In Highbury and Islington, it's Kalade. In Camden Road, it's Anik. In Canada Water, it's Carl Richard. And that's everybody, I think. So well done, all of you. I'll see you in a moment with your prizes. So could we have reception sing now, please?
My only sunshine, you make me happy when skies are gray. You never notice how much I love you. So please don't take my sunshine away. Please don't take my sunshine away.
Thank you, reception. And Year 2 was going to do something, were they? Year 2? No, Caledonia Road then, over to you. I'll find you on my screen.
Right, we won't have the backing music, okay, but you all know it, okay? Ready? We're gonna
Take you back to the fish entry. We're gonna learn some history. We're gonna take you back to the fish entry. We're gonna learn some history. We got the three main tribes. Arabs, and Jews. They were fierce, they were cruel, and they battled for this land. The Romans left in 410, pulled back to Rome, and the Anglo-Saxon seas their charge to move. They came from Germany, Netherlands, and Denmark. Germany and Denmark. They came from Germany, Netherlands, and Denmark. Germany and Denmark. England means Angleland. There were 5 main kingdoms, so from beyond Mercia
Okay, before we hand over to year 6 then to finish the assembly, I just wanted to say it's been a very strange year, as we all know, but I'm really, really proud of how hard all the children have worked, how loving and kind you're being to one another. And I also want you all, please, so can you all unmute just for a minute?
Turn around.
Okay, let's have 3 cheers for your teachers. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. And 3 cheers for the holidays. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Hip, hip. Right, over to, if you could all go back on mute. And then let's have year 6 for their final song. You're still on mute, Priscilla. and you will shine, and we are going to miss you all very, very much. Everybody have a really wonderful, wonderful summer. We will see all the children on the 2nd of September, the staff on the 31st of August. But just have a wonderful summer. We've all earned it, I think. Love you all.
Bye. Bye, Naomi.
No offense to you, don't waste your time. Here's why.